Hey everybody, my name is Karen. I will show you some basic operations using ActionTree. So, let's launch ActionTree. There we go. ActionTree has several views. It has two main views, the project view and the timeline view. When you launch ActionTree, the project view opens. You can switch between the views by tapping on the view title, like that. The project view has three states, the normal state, the add edit state, and the delete edit state. Now you're looking at the normal state. You enter an edit state by tapping the plus or the edit buttons on the top. In the normal state, you can expand or collapse apparent items or invoke the edit item view on any item. A parent item has a small arrow to the left. When in collapse state, a small numbers in the item subtext shows the number of parents, children, and the number of siblings. The hierarchical view presented in the project's view can be nested indefinitely. Each child can also be a parent. To edit an item, you right swipe on the item. This takes you to the item edit item view. Here you can edit the item's title or note. You can dismiss the keyboard by swiping right on the note area. Then you can add a reminder, add a photo, or set the item's priority. To save the item, you tap down or the back arrow on the top left. This takes you back to the project's view. Now, let's try an edit state. To enter the add edit state, you tap the plus button on the top left. After you enter an edit state, the plus button is disabled and the edit button changes to a done button. In either edit state, add or delete, you can promote or demote an item by swiping on the item left or right respectively, like this. You can also move the item up or down, like this. If you move a parent, the children will move with it. To add an item, tap on one of the green plus buttons. This will take you to the Edit New Item view. You need to set at least the title. Let's say AAA. Then tap Done. When you return to Project View, you are still in edit state, so you can promote, demote, or move the new item, then tap Done. Tap Edit to go to the Delete Edit state. Here you can delete items just by tapping on one of the red minus icons. By default, you must delete the children before you can delete a parent item. You can override this behaviors in the settings. To go to Settings, tap the wrench icon on the bottom. In the Delete Edit state, you can also promote, demote, or move an item, just as we did in the Add Edit state. Tap Done to return to the normal project state. That is for the ActionTree project's basics. You can review this information on the project's View Info page, in the Quick Start section. To view it, tap the info icon on the bottom left. Thanks you for listening and using ActionTree.